Navigation system, sunroof, lounge, leather, xenon headlights, heated seats, premium and amp, many wired packages, park distance control, corporate demo, premium package, anti-theft alarm system, auto dimming rear view mirror, automatic climate control, chrome line interior, comfort access, keyless entry, and rain sensor and amp, auto headlights, mini connected W navigation, mini navigation system, and xenon headlights. This is the vehicle for you if you're looking to get great gas mileage on your way to work. Take this wonderful Cupra S down the road and fall in love with driving all over again. What is live market pricing? At Passport, we use vAuto Live Market View and Pure Cars Value reports to generate the most competitive real-time internet pricing. In addition, every